Yon, nandito tayo ngayon. We are here live sa Hoop Store One Day League Season 2 Basketball. It's good to be back. We are very thankful at meron kaming event na ganito. Nakakataas balahibo nga naman. We are starting our game now on our first game. It's gonna be between Brudis and 30 Gen. As we all know, matagal na silang nagkikita. Lagi silang magkakalaban. Pero dito syempre magkaiba ang gagawin nilang sistema. It's about One Day League is all about fatigue. Paano kaya nila gagawin to? We are about to witness one of the greatest game na matutunghayan nyo dito sa Dubai, UAE. And this is Hoop Store One Day League Season 2 Santuario Cup. See you all in a bit when we are about to start the first game. Ayan as we all see, La Cuesta, McCafe, yung mga bata nating players dito ngayon sa Dubai. And Brudis as well has their power. Eto na, nandito na nga pala si Bonggutay. Nakakuha yan ni Coach JR Moreno. Bonggutay gives it up to Santillan. Marvin Santillan has the ball. What he will do now? Binigay, first possession of the game. Can they get the score here? Gutay on the 3 ball. Wala naman yon. Rebound by number 2. Ayan, tumatakbo ngayon Brudis. They're setting up the play. Siyempre, ang Team Brudis is all about practice. Lagi nagpa-practice tong team na to. And we are about to witness. Eto na, Makape. Kicks it out on the side. In the middle. First possession para sa Brudis. Bankiao knocks down that J. Iba ang takbo ng 30J ngayon dahil Bonggutay, as we all know, is a knockdown shooter. Pero siya ang nagtitimon dito para sa 30J. Marvin Santillan. Marvin nakakita but he turned it over. Makape on the run but he was fouled immediately to end the break para dito sa Team Brudis. Kasi Team Brudis is a run and gun team. Kung nakikita nyo na sila naglalaro. And they are really good para dun sa ano. Sige, basa tayo ng mga comments mga idol. BP1 Family Matters 46 pwede tabi. Pwede boss, walang problema. I-replyan namin kayo mamaya ha. Medyo lang, marami tayong Okay, on to the next. Meron ba tayong next dyan? Air to Sunrise? Yes, of course, pwede tayo dyan. Okay, on the next, Justin L. Duayan. Sabi niya, siya ito yan na, sabi ni Justin L. Duayan. Parang feeling ko talagang magandang labanan to. Marvin Santillan as he fouled doon sa backcourt. All 2 was the score. Sige, basa pa tayo ng mga natin dyan. Tags Nacion. Go Marky. Ito ata mga tropa ni Mark Macafe. As we all know that Mark Macafe parang bagong possible na bata dito. And he was one of the best players sa kanilang last game against Team Majas. He's playing for Zamek sa semi-D-League. And there's a foul. May foul na naitawag si Rep Gonzaga. Si Gonzaga yata yung natawagan doon. And Margel Gonzaga wearing his mismatch AR2 doon sa gilid, no? Grabe naman, naka-rigger yan. 3 on its way. Javier, no. Rebound by Francisco. Francisco, binibigay niya kay Gutay. Gutay, of course, their court general si Marvin Santillan. Bigay kay Bonggutay. La Cuesta, he can knock that shot. Wala naman yon. Tapi ka, napunta yan sa Brudis. They are on the run right now. Santillan with the steal. Santillan kicks it out. Margel. Alam mo na ang gagawin niyan. Muscle to muscle. Francisco. But there's a foul by Francisco. Ayan, basa tayo ng mga comments dyan. Ayan, si mama ko. Hi anak, may poging commentator Jonathan Ray. I love you, nak. Love you, ma. Dito na tayo ngayon sa TV. Si Patty Boy, yung tropa natin sa Oman. Boss, Patty Boy! Kailan natin mababag yung unang order natin, yung unang deliver natin sa Oman? Shoutout sa inyo. Shoutout sa mga nanonood sa Oman, syempre. from MJ Saranilla Padua II, John Melvin Saranilla. Tinag niya yun. Automatic yan. La Cuesta with the ball. La Cuesta binigay kay Marvin. Parking lot 3. Wala naman yon. Mark McAfee with the board. Parang wala pang masyadong kiskisan na nangyayari dito. Pero magandang depensa for both teams kasi all 2 pa lang sila eh. Coach Jay Abot, Coach Jay, thank you sa call kaninang umaga. It really means a lot para sa akin, syempre. At sa team Hoop Store, maraming salamat sa call mo na yon. And good luck sa game later. Good luck din po sa game later sa Zamic Basketball Semi-D-League against JND. Shoutout nga pala rin kay Idol Jacob Rosal and sa tropa kong si Red. Ayan, good luck sa inyo both teams later. Second free throw. Pasok yun. We are now 3-2. Isa ang lamang ng Team Brutish. 5 minutes now. Ganda ng depensa ng both teams. Talagang medyo nagkakaroon ng mga stealan dito. Santillan will try. Bang! Marvin Santillan opens up the scoreboard for himself. And he has now 3 points across his name. Labutap kicks it out. Mark, 3 on its way. Meron yan. Rebound by La Cuesta. Isprikitik. Wala stick kung pumitik. Siyempre, nandiyan yan. Kung pabilisan, eto na. On cue is Freaky. Wala. Rebound by Labutap. Labutap on the run. Eh, lista mo na. Renzi Ocampo, multiple MVPs with the layup. Siyempre, di natin inaasa. Nasa Team Brudis na nakuha na si Renz D. Ocampo. Deserve naman yan. Kasi talagang mamatahin ng mga coaches yan and managers. La Cuesta tries the 2. Wala pang naihulog si Randy Boy dito. Foul by number 10, D. Ocampo. So yan ang aantabayanan nyo. Ang Randy La Cuesta natin all throughout this series. Shoutout Jay Morales. Grabe, parang UAP commentator lang astig. Shoutout sa iyo, Dol. And really appreciate yung support from day one. Unfortunately, parang di kita nakikita dito. Sana mga dalaw, yung mga natin dyan, yung mga viewers natin dyan, stay tuned. Marami pang bakbakan na magaganap dito. As we have Mark McAfee tries the 3. No. Mailom with the foul. Para dyan kay Jerick Mailom. Official score natin is 6-5. Lamang ang third dyan ng isa. Morota Rolls, shoutout. Grabe ang live coverage. Parang nasa UAP lang. As sabi ko naman sa iyo, Dol, hindi fluke ang ating mga postings. So sa lahat ng sponsors natin na nagtiwala from day one, this is what they deserve and this is what they need to get. Ganito magmahal ang Hoop Store sa kanilang sponsor as Mark McAfee scores for the breakaway layup. Brodies regains the lead, 7-6. 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining on the clock. As Freaky kicks it out, 3 on its way. No. Meron na namang foul doon from Margel. Kay Labutap yata yun. As Agbayani approaches now, andrito na ulit si Ezekiel. So there's a timeout coming from Team Brutish, and we are going to be back in just a bit. Coming from Team And we are back on the game as Labutap will try to make himself 2 points from this free throw. On penalty na nga pala ang 30 gen. As Labutap makes the first free throw, gives Brutus a 2-point lead. Morota rolls, pwede na ako next season. Yes naman, pagka nawala ka na sa semi-D-League. Huwag ka muna kasi maglaro. Antayin mo, mas maganda exposure natin dito. Pwede na ako na, yes, tignan natin yan. 3 on its way. No. Rebound. Ito na naman ang 30 gen. But there's a foul on Jeric Mailom. Second personal foul na ni Jeric yan. As we approach the 2-minute mark of the game. 2 minutes and 18 ang nalalabi sa ating unang patimplak. 9-6 pa rin. Lamang pa rin ang Buridis. Garcia. Pumasok sa ilalim. Ezekiel with the steal. Tumatakbo na naman ng Team Brudis. Ito na, labutap. Spreaky with the steal. Ano pa bang asama? Spreaky is the fastest guy here. Morales. La Cuesta makes the point. Ito na. Nagpapakitang gilas na nagpapainit pa kasi yung diesel eh. Randy La Cuesta. Simula't simula yan. Isa rin yan sa mga consistent na player ni JR Moreno. Coach JR, shoutout sa'yo. Wala ka pa dito. I think nasa labas pa si Coach JR. Mailom. Thought about it. Torrens, De Ocampo, sees some opening, kicks it out to Ezekiel. Labutap on the 3, middle 3, no! Rebound kanino? La Cuesta with the board. Binigay kay Spreaky. Turn it over though. Ito na, Labutap, ganda ng pasa sa dalawa. Mark, fakes, but he was fouled. He will try to earn 2 points from the free throw line. Mark McAfee. As I told you guys earlier, si Anika B. Moreno. JR Moreno, nawawala ang coach. Aba, nawawala eh. Pero nakita ko siya kanina. He's here. So pagkarating namin, Coach JR is here. Sinabi niya sa akin, meron lang daw siyang pupuntahang turo. So I hope I can see him on the next game. Probably I might not be able to interview him ngayon dahil wala pa siya. But nonetheless, for sure, we'll be catching up with him. May laro pa tayo mamaya. Mark, naglalaro si Mark, coach eh. Pero aasahan mo yan, maglalaro daw siya. Ayan ang sabi niya sa akin, coach. Sabi ko, kailangan ka doon. Kailangan ng magagaling at matitikas ni Coach J ngayon. Kasi wala yung pinaka-poging player ni Coach J. And we are going to stay and to 30 gen basketball. 10 seconds on the clock. Kicks it out. Liabe. Looking. Liabe. Instant score. Wala. Rebound. Margel. Tapikan. Sa pool. And that's the end of the first quarter. Pero merong unsportsmanlike foul ng maitatawag ang ating mga referees kay Margel Gonzaga. And they need these 2 free throws now para medyo lumayo sa ating first quarter of action. Titingnan natin yan. Sino ba ang mag-free throw?
Marami.
Kasi kundi yung mga malalapit mo rin na kaibigan.
Ayaw naman.
Pero, wala eh. Wala eh. Kaya nga sinasabi ko.
Yun. And we are trying to see the replay now. Ayan, shoutout muna tayo sa mga ano natin. Shoutout Ate Arcel, syempre. Ayan, ito tayo ngayon. Ayan yung mga nakikita nyo. Marami pa dito sa side na to, hindi lang nahaharap ng camera. We need to settle things up. Meron na itawag na foul doon before the end of the game. So, referees are trying to check kung pasok ba yon sa time to give 2 free throws para dito sa Team Brudis. Napakalaking ang laking bagay ng 2 points dito sa game na to. Lalo na it's gonna be a tight game. It's 10-8. Dalawa lang ang kalamangan. So this would help Team Brudis pagkaroon ng head start para sa second quarter. As we approach the decision of the referee, just want like to thank all the sponsors para sa Hoop Store One Day League Santuario Cup Season 2. Just want to thank Zamic Events, Zamic Basketball, Basketball Gears, 361 Degrees, Rigor, Boss J, Flashback, Uno Home Contracting, Jacobs, and Flip Soul, Arc Athletics, Merch Hub, and DXB, Penguin Surf Coffee, and our main and major sponsor, Santuario Reservoir. So nahatulan na nga from the referee's decision. It's gonna be an unsportsmanlike foul. So, ayan, yung nakikita nating replace before the end of the first quarter. Ayan na nga, medyo merong kaunting, may kaunting commotion dito sa ilalim. That's, Cardenas missed on the first free throw, pero sasabukan niya ang kanyang free throw to add 1 point to their lead. Yun, pumasok yung Cardenas, makes split charity. Nakuha niya yun. So, I think we are about to start the second quarter. Tapos na ang commotion nangyari and the referee has judged the commotion there sa ilalim. So, I think we're gonna play it on and we are going to be back in a short while for the second quarter. Eto na. It's gonna be a Brudis basketball. Bola pupunta sa Brudis. 11-8 ang score natin. And we hope na makakita pa tayo ng mga titinding bakbakan. If you are, kung may problema tayo sa live, just please i-comment nyo lang. Mababasa namin yan dito sa aming screens. Mas updated na at mas upgraded na ang aming technology ngayon. So yung Marvin Santillan, binigay, 3 on its way. Franco, pumasok na pala si Franco. De Ocampo looking, kicks it out. Gekolea, 1-foot jumper, bang, bang, bang! He has that shot, Alam natin yan, si Gekolea. Simula barikero pa lang, ganyan na talaga yung playing style niya. So if he cannot have a 3-point shot, lalapit niya yan and it's a higher percentage efficient din, kumbaga. Santillan, pinasok na naman. Santillan finds his lane, left the layup. He was fouled. And there's a foul. Iyon, foul doon si Cardenas. Tinaas na yung kamay. Santillan, Marvin Santillan will have a trip to the line. Para sa dalawa. Ayun, shoutout muna tayo. Nag-free throw si Marvin. Wash out po, Lodi. Si Alfred Codilla. Si Idol. Idol, kamusta? Mabisita mo naman sa namin. Sobrang busy mo na. So yan, Marvin Santillan made the first free throw. Second free throw din. Yan, ang pangalawang free throw. He made it. 2 for 2 from the line. And he cut the lead. Sa tatlo na lang. 8 minutes and 12 seconds ang nalalabi sa ating second quarter. John Rico may San Juan. Jeric Mailo, maso-aso. Kekolea kicks it out. De Ocampo sees some daylight. Short that time. Ball will go to the 30 gen. Pat Alvin, shout out kay Julius Morales. Nagpapasikat ka na naman dyan, boy. Julius Morales, nagpapasikat ka raw. Hindi niya pa mababasa yan, Dol. Maybe later after the game. Renz. Oops. Medyo hindi nakuha yon. Misunderstanding. Kumbaga, miscommunication ang tawag natin dyan. Marvin Santillan, setting up. in the middle, kicks it out. Franco for 3. No! Rebound kay Randy Lacuesta. He got this range. He can make that, pero he kicks it out. Marvin, meron siya niyan. Santillan on the 3. Wala. Rebound na naman kay Santillan. Randy, setting up for his teammate. Finds his spot. Wala naman yon. Rebound sa kanila pa rin. Fresh 14 para sa mga naka-pink. T on its way! Gab Yabe! 3! Ganda naman ng ikot na yun. 3 possessions. Wala talagang humihinto dito sa 30 gen. As they scores from the 3, Gecko Leia will try! Gecko Leia has range! Mga kaibigan, Jandal Gecko Leia, wag na wag mong bibigyan ng space ang mga shooter na ganyan. Siyempre, Jandal Gecko Leia, he has that range. Lacuesta again, wala. Medyo maalat ngayon si Randy Boy. Gecko Leia regains the lead for Team Rudis, ha? Gecko Leia with his 5th point. Mailom, lays it up. No, rebound. Enriquez, JV to J-Gab. Liabe, inikot pa! What a move! Inikot-ikot pa! J-Gab Liabe with a dipsy wow layup. At Jandal Gecko Leia, talaga namang the icebreaker para sa Team Rudis. Kung meron kang hataw, Jandal is there to save the day. Napakahirap ng role ni Jandal dito. Renz, he will try the 3. Wala, but there's a foul down. Sinong tatawagan ni ref? He might call this on Jegab. Liabe, I think he is gonna be called for a foul. Ayun, hindi. Sa kabila na itawag ang foul. So, ball will go back to the 30 gen. 18-15 ang score natin. Courtesy of, syempre, kay Jandal Gecko Leia. Okay, Santillan gives it up to JV. JV fakes it. JV. There's a little bit of mismatch here. Gives it up to Randy. His spot. Wala talaga. Medyo inaalat si Randy Lacuesta. I hope he can come back on this game kasi kailangan siya ng Team 30 Gen. Jegab. He's been answering the prayers of Coach JR. Pero wala. Johnny Del na naman. John Del taking his matters in his own hands. Pero wala yon. But he's gonna be awarded para sa 2 free throws dahil sa kanyang ginawa na yun. Time remaining natin is 4 minutes and 48 seconds. Alex Cardenas, sure, Idol, pa-shoutout naman sa pamangking ko. Yun si Idol Alex pala, yung tito ni Cardenas kanina. Salamat po. Sure, sir. Cardenas, ayun, mukhang maipapasok na maya-maya ni Coach Rod yan. Eto na, second free throw. Nakuha, na-shoot yung unang free throw ni Jandal. 6 point of the game. Actually, 8 point. Para hindi niya nakuha yung 9 point niya doon, ha. Bumintes. A rare miss from Gecko Leia. Garcia. Marvin Santillan na naman. Uy! Marvin Santillan, he was fouled. 2 free throws ang kailangan niyang bunuin para may baba lang ang kalamangan sa dalawa. Ito na, Bong Gutay approaches the scoreboard. Kailangan din ton si Bong Gutay. Wala pang score. Scoreless from the first quarter as Bong Gutay needs to get on fire kagad. He needs to answer. Ito na pala si Coach JR Moreno. Dumating na. Mukhang magbabago na ang takbo. We will see. We will see. Malalaman natin yan. 2 for 2 from the line from Marvin Santillan. Magbabago kaya. Oh, they're now trying for a 1-2-2 dahil andrito na si Coach JR. Pero Ezekiel finds the room. Nakita ni Ezekiel yon, yung butas dun sa napakaliit na spasyo na yon as he converted that to a 2-point basket. Ito na, Randy. Yes! Wala pa rin. Oh my God, Randy Lacuesta is missing. He is questionable on this first game. Kailangan natin siya. Renzo Ocampo lays it up, coast to coast. Napakabilis. In just a blink of an eye, Renzo Ocampo converted that in a 2-point basket. Bong Gutay, they need this. 14-foot jumper, wala. Santillan, he's been the man for the 30 Gen. as Marvin Santillan knocks out the 3 to cut that lead into 4. 2 points lang daw pala. A long 2 for Marvin. But may tulak doon si JV Enriquez. Greggy Ferrer, pabati naman po kay Ella Carion Aguila. Yan, shoutout sa inyo, Boss Greggy and Madam Ella Aguila. Rolly Montero, ganda ng coverage, of course. Kayo lang walang tiwala, coach. Ay, yung sumali kasi sa league namin eh. Ewan ko ba kung bakit. May ganito ba? May ganito ba sa iba? But there's a foul. Hoping that this league and this coverage would convince you all. Kasi hindi lang dito natatapos ang league ng Hoop Store. This is a eye-opener para sa lahat ng mga nagbubuo ng teams and sa mga managers. And this is different. I'm telling you, once and for all, Hoop Store basketball is different. Hindi kami naglalabas ng mga basta-basta mga video. Just as number 6 converted Franco ba yun? Or cuts the lead into 2. Ezekiel, ang bilis naman binawi nun. Ezekiel. JV, may laro tayo mga. Puro pagod na mga player ko. Coach, ba't ka kasi nagpaano? Pati yung manager mo nandito, nagboboton eh. 3 on its way. Marvin! Wala pa rin yun. Rebound by Renz. Dio Campo, the running guy. Ito na naman. Brudis. Mailom. Nice sirap lefty. Short that time. But the ball will stay by the team for the team Brudis. Time remaining natin 52 seconds. To end the second quarter. Malalaman natin dito ngayon kung sino ba ang magbabaon ng kalamangan on the opening of the third. Gecko Leia. Ganda ng pasa naman doon. In the middle, wala. Rebound. JV Enriquez to Garcia. Garcia on his way. Kicks it out. Santillan. Fakes. Hesi. But he was fouled by Agbayani. And they're on penalty. So Agbayani fouled Marvin Santillan. And Marvin Santillan, meron niyang he made the 2 free throw earlier. Malalaman natin yan dito kung meron ba hangin. As Marvin fires the first free throw, medyo tagilid yan. He needs this. They need this free throw. Babaunin ba niya? Wala pa rin yun. And we are back sa live natin as Marvin Santillan misses that 2 free throws at the end of the second half. And we are hoping that you are guys enjoying from sa kanilang bahay. Because we are about to witness, eto na, maybe some comeback para sa 3rd Gen or Brudis na naman Marvin Santillan! Oh my God, he is hot! Hindi pa tapos yung sasabihin ko, Marvin Santillan, ginugulat mo ako, sir. And you deserve some credits dahil sa'yo, 3rd Gen is only down by 1. And La Cuesta has rebounded the basketball. Sabay-sabay nating mag-enjoy tayo. Kung meron kayong mga comments, guys, comment lang kayo. And we are going to try, syempre, na shoutout kayo, syempre, dito. Di naman, syempre, yun, no? There's a foul. So, let's enjoy the game and enjoy this day. This is Hope Star Basketball 1A League St. Warrior Cup. Pablo setting up. Pablo kicks it out. Kukikulea. Mainit din tong bata na to. Binigay. Pablo, tears drop. Wala. Rebound by La Cuesta. Pero dun naman bumabawi si La Cuesta. Liabele sirap. No. Rebound by Mark. McAfee on the run. Binigay kay Pablo. Pablo sees Renz. In the side. Real Campo. Rattles that one in. You cannot leave that guy alone. He's gonna take the shot. Dahil punong-puno ng kumpiyansa itong bata na to. La Cuesta, he needs it to go. Oh my God, Randy La Cuesta is missing a lot of shots. As Renz de Ocampo, a home run. At lumalago na. 30-24, 6-point lead. And we have a timeout. JR Moreno has pulled the emergency lever. Magbabalik tayo in just a bit. And we are back. Setting up the play is Garcia. Ito na Marvin Santillan, binigay. Ganda ng pasa, Jacob Liabe, binigay kay Randy Boy. And he was fouled, Randy Boy. He must get his confidence dito sa game na to. And he needs this free throw talaga. Ito ang I hope that ito yung mag-start ng spark para kay Randy La Cuesta. His field goal is off and he made the first shot. Christopher, shoutout sa'yo, Dol. Ang galing ng commentator para si Tito Mikey lang. Enjoy tayo dyan, Dol, ha? Alam ko, nasa malayong lugar ka and we hope you are enjoying your panonood sa live mo natin. Okay. Triggerman shooter, yung idol ko, si Mr. Allen Nakpil. Pwede kami sumali dyan, brother ni Kent Yabut. Siguro si Kent hindi. Ikaw, baka hindi rin ikaw, Dol. Hindi ka mo pwede. Luman ka na nga. Pero siguro, in time, pag nagkaroon tayo ng malakasan, sana. And we are excited, syempre, na invite kayo. Gusto namin na maybe on the next season, kung may magre-request pa, gusto namin ang syempre yung mga talagang ano na rin, malulupitan na mga players. Pero malulupit na, don't get me wrong. Yung mga players na nandito is one of the greatest players na rin na naglalaro sa ating unrated basketball. As Mark McAfee misses on the first shot, on the 3-point shot. Pero nandito pa rin ang Team Brudis. Yun, Aika. Ayun, shoutout sa'yo, Aika and Joms. Ganda ng live. Thank you for watching. Go Kim Garcia. Ayan, kay May Christine Delen. Okay. Eto na. Marvin Santillan. He's hot since the beginning of this game. Randy La Cuesta. He's been hammering that glass. Kanina pa yan. Di makashoot pero he has this. Francisco. Meron siya yan. La Cuesta pa rin. Labutap on the run. Labutap. Coast to coast. Taking his matter in his own hands. But Renzi Ocampo is flying high. Eto na pala, dumating na si Jordan. My idol, Carl Jordan. Joseph Sanside, good luck, 30 Gen Fire. I was thinking, bakit wala ka dito, Joseph Sanside? Diba? Kasi lagi siyang player dito ng 30 Gen Pero I think nasa ibang league to. Check mo nga, Dol. Brent, idol, shout out sa'yo, Brent. Pag di mo ako shout-out, di na kita bate. I-unfriend mo na naman, tapos i-unfollow mo kami. Yun. Renzi Ocampo made that 2 free throws and it's 5 minutes and 25 remaining on the third. Buhayin niyo lang kami. Comment lang kayo as Michael Carl Jordan, eto na, nagpapakita na dito sa ating league. Wala ata siya from the first and the second quarter. Siguro may mga appointments and mga mahalagang mission sa buhay. Solly yan dyan. Beshi, go! Shoutout sa iyo, madam, and see you sa December 23. Kung kailan ka man, kung sino man may alam na pupunta ka dito. Ispriki, looking, naibigay sa gitna. Jordan, wala nang intro si Jordan. Tumirada na agad. As Randy Lacuesta made his first free goal. We missed that shot para kay Lacuesta. There's a steal by Marvin Santillan. 32-28. Jordan! Alam natin yan na nandiyan dyan si Jordan. Kapag nandiyan dyan, may instant scorer si JR Morena. Si Coach JR sobrang lucky dito at meron siyang Michael Carl Jordan sa lineup kasi he is instant. Pag sinabi kong instant, guys, really, sa lahat ng mga nakakilala kay Jordan, we all know that he can make a basket anytime he needs it. Anytime he wants, just give him the ball, lalo na pag mainit. It's Michael Jordan's time. At meron palang technical na naitawag si ref from Marvin Santillana. So that's why Javier will have to take this technical free throw para sa Brudets and he made it. Siyempre, bugso lang ng damdamin dahil maganda nga naman yung stop, yung steal and the dish to Jordan. Siguro dahil sa intensity of the game na meron tayo ngayon. Boss Jaja! Boss Ja, shoutout po sa Batang Satwa, the Batang Satwa community. You know, all-out support yan sa Hoop Store. Boss Ja, maraming salamat sa panonood. Malaking bagay yung mapagbigyan mo ng time. Dumaan sa timeline mo tong live natin. And we hope to see you here. Sana madalaw mo kami dito. Malapit na sa inyo to, JBS. That's Freaky. Ito, player ni Boss Jaja to. Randy Boy! Wala pa rin yon. Francisco. Hindi pa rin talaga makahulog si Randy Lacuesta. Siguro dahil sa regular na bola. Official na ball natin kasi is regular. As the referee, may naitawag na foul doon sa ilalim. Okay, time remaining natin, guys, is 3 minutes and 42 seconds. 3 minutes and 42. Jordan to Francisco. Si Francisco rin, malaking bagay sa rebound. Ito na, Morales. To Ezekiel. Ezekiel, tinapong kay Lamuda. Si Spriki nga. The second steal of the game by Spriki. Spriki pa rin napakabilis. Nawala ang bola, pero the ball will stay to the 30 gen. 3 minutes and 15. (33-30) ang score natin. On the first game pa lamang to, Bruders versus 30 gen. Marami pa tayong teams na matutunghayan later. Ang ganda ng pasa! Lacuesta to Francisco. Nakaka-play yung ginawa doon. Parang nag-uusap lang yung referee, binigay yung bola. Pero the eye-to-eye connection by Lacuesta and Francisco. Andron Javier, binigay sa middle. Pero foul na may tatawag si ref. Hindi nakakalusot yung mga ganong mga foul sa referee natin. Kaya naman, grabe yung support ng SPBL family dito ni Boss Jay, Boss Joel. Shoutout nga pala sa Labuta, fires sa 3! Nothing but the bottom of the net! Labuta makes that dagger. And they are up by 4 now, 36-32. Ganda ng pasa, Francisco ni Leon! Jordan with a nice dish to Francisco. Makafe, pinasok ng uli. 5 ang player ng Bruders, sabi ni Mark Sebastian. 5 lang player ng Bruders, sabi niya. Ito na, tumatakbo na. Francisco to Spriki. Spriki decided to go outside to set up the play. Pero nakita, Lacuesta. Medyo ang ganda ng depensa kasi kay Randy, kaya hindi siya nakano. Kasi they expect Randy para tumira para sa 30 gen. So ang ganda ng niya, depensa sa kanya. Kaya naman naapektuhan yung offensive play nila. Kasi Labuta scores on that fast break. Jordan. 1 minute and 33, 38, 34. Morales, and he was fouled. Ayun na. 5 lang player ng Blue Jays, sabi ni Mark. Base tayo dyan. Go Brody, sabi ni ano. Solid pang PBA lupit ng live. Thanks, Boss Ja. Sabi naman sa iyo, Boss Ja. Hindi dapat basta-basta. As Marvin Santillan has that idea. Ganda ng idea, but the pass couldn't be able to be handled by Francisco Nagolatren. Nagsabay one-day league, kuya, sabi ko na nga, nasa labas to, marami kasing liga. Harmen Bolar, papasukin nyo si Julius Morales, 1. Si Julius Morales nakaupo pa rin hanggang ngayon eh. As Renzi Ocampo, he slipped in the middle, Spreaky. De Ocampo, highlight reel, lazy ram, Javier, Makape with the follow, wala pa rin, Makape pa rin. But there's a foul, offensive foul na ito. Ganda naman ng break na yon. Swerte ang break na yon for the 30 gen, no? Lalaki na sana yung league 42-34, pero they made a stop. Dahil dito sa defensive Francisco. Last 15 seconds remaining. Jordan, 10 seconds. Jordan, kailangan ng magpasikat dito. Jordan, ganda ng pasa kay Francisco na naman. Francisco, there's a top. Labutap, 2 seconds. Makape! Oh, hindi na umabot. And that's the end of the third quarter. 40-34. Lamang ng 6 ng Brewers. What will Coach J.R. Moreno do para mag-adjust dito sa fourth quarter? Kailangan ng sagot. They need La Cuesta right now. They need Jordan right now. They need each and every heart of each player right now. And we are going to be back in just a minute. Yon, we are back for the fourth quarter. Ayun, basa muna tayo dyan. Salamat, Ghost Prikitik, sabi ni Boss Jaja. Bibilisan na lang natin. Carlo Ocampo, Gia, good luck. Mark Javier. Boss Ja, all support ng Jaja, solid live. Grabe. Boss Ja, baka makabisita today. We will welcome you with the red carpet. Francis Hope, si Idol sila kay Francis. Grabe pang UAAP yung coverage. Thank you, Dol. We hope you enjoy your time sa bahay habang nanonood. Ariel Caluscusa, shoutout kay Jeric Mailom, magtagay na lang. Wala, focus muna si Jeric dito ng babalda. 3 on his way, Marvin Santillan! He is red hot! And whenever Coach JR calls his name, talagang he will prove na siya ang first option ngayon sana. So yan, Beshi, Lakuyo, kaya mo yan, masama lang paramdam, pero kaya mo, okay. Kaya pala ganun yung galaw ni La Cuesta. Okay, I understand. And we have a timeout, early timeout, 40-37. We're gonna be back, We're gonna be back. Stay tuned. Dito lang tayo sa live. Who's won the league? Santuario Cup. And we are back. 9 minutes and 9 seconds. Michael Sosing, si Idol si Sosing, Ezekiel Agbayani, please, salampakan mo na please, sabi niya. Mamaya daw, Idol, mamaya. Papakitaan ka niya. Ayun. Teryong Baria pasok. Si Coach Manny nandoon eh. Iniintay lang magkaroon ng playing time, pero talagang gagawa yan. Alam natin yan. And there's a steal. Lacue! On cue! La Cuesta! Talaga namang nilay-up na yun on the second field goal of the game. La Cuesta, isa na lang ang lamang ng Brudis. Agbayani with the ball. Agbayani, he needs to answer this one quick. Yes! Ezekiel Agbayani is showing some flex on the camera. Grabe naman. You deserve that, brother. You made that shot all by yourself. Ang hirap pasukin nun. Ito si Marvin Santillan. Marvin, isa ilalim. Wala. Rebound by Lacue. La Cuesta. Kanino pupunta ang bola? Ball will go back to the Team Brudis. 42-39 is still anybody's ball game. Shout out kay Bossing Idol number 1 Kenty Abot. Ganda ng cover. Grats, Brotan. Salamat, Dol. Sabi ko nga kung makakadalo kayo dito, please do so. Dito lang kami sa JBS, Jumeirah Baccalaureate School, and sana mai-welcome namin kayo dito. Isa sa mga idol ng mga karamihan dito sa Dubai. Bro, Kenty Abot. And shoutout nga pala din sa ano nila. 3 on his way. Marvin! No. Rebound by Randy. Randy with the fake. Randy, he was fouled. At si Randy, alam ni Randy na he doesn't have range today. So he's taking slowly, pero pinapasok niya sa loob yung mga tira niya. And sabi nga ng ano natin ni Solian Joy, our customer from Qatar, na Go Beshi na ano to, medyo may sakit lang si La Cuesta today. Nataon, Harmend de la Bolares, Pluk! Julius Morales, magpakilala ka kung sino ka. Si Juan daw yung nagsasabi nun. Sana makita natin si Julius Morales, no, na maipakita nga yung gilas niya. But nonetheless, there will be still games after this. It's either meron pa silang 2 games at marami pa. Kasi one-day league is not just about yung mga players sa mga galing, no? It's about how the coaches, kung paano niya sisistemahin yung pagpasok. Diba? As Renzi Ocampo fires it up from the 3-point line, gives the team 45-41. A small breather para dito kay Coach Rods. Mabigat yon. Francisco, nagtatao-tao na. They're going for man-to-man. La Cuesta versus Labutap. As Labutap nearly stole that letter. Francisco finds some lane. Binigay kay Lacue. La Cuesta, he needs to move right now. Ganda ng defense. 24 seconds violation. What a defensive stop ang pinapakita dito ng Team Brudis. Aguilar replying to Greggy Ferrer. Greggy Ferrer, Korea, buset. Medyo malayo na. Mga Korean skin lang. Ayan, 45-41, 6 minutes, and we are about to witness. Sa 6 na minuto na lang, malalaman na natin kung sino ang makakakuha ng magandang standing dito at mauna. Renzi Ocampo fires again for the 3. La Cuesta not itapek sa maling tao, but there's a steal. Francisco La Cuesta, 2-on-2. Can La Cuesta finish? Ganda ng pasa! Jacob Liabe na finish! Grabe naman yung connection. Kung ganyan yung chemistry nyo, talagang ililay up mo na lang. Diba? Ika nga, ang lupit nun. AK Moon, go boss Lacue. Lacue, hindi siya nakakascore, but he's making things happen for 30 Gen. Diba? Yung ganda ng pasa na yun. As Pablo fires some teardrop, but there's a foul. Merong paghila ng uniform doon. Dennis Wakay, lupit ng cover. Pro na pro ang datingan. Congrats, Stan. Maraming salamat, Dol. Lupit ng cover. Yung tingin Pre Dennis. Sayang, di kasi kayo nag-ano eh. Marvin Santillan, 3 on its way. Wala. Ayun, may foul doon si La Cuesta. Third. Ito na. Labutap, 45-43. Dalawa na lang kalamangan ng Brudis. 4 minutes and 30. Naalalabi. Mark, binigay kay Labutap. Labutap, looking. Labutap, he got range. Meron siya niyan. Labutap kicks it out. Pushing foul. Sino may tatawag na rep? Foul na naman yan. From Michael Jordan. Michael Carl. Banquiao. Pinasok na nga dito. Di Ocampo. Kicks it out. But there's a foul again. Foul by number 26, si Gab Liabe. So, 3 minutes and 45 na lang ang nalalabi. Renzi Ocampo, binigyan ng screen ni Mark. Renz pa rin may tangan. He needs to make things happen here. Passes by his man. Mayroong foul sa ilalim. Si Liabe na naman yata yon. And I think there are on penalty. Penalty na nga. So, Jacob Liabe gives an opportunity para dito sa Brudis. In the name of Renzi Ocampo para magkaroon na madagdagan pa ng 2 points. Si Renz mo o si Mark? I think si Mark dapat ang nasa linya ngayon. Nonetheless, referee will settle it down para ma-clarify. To clarify things up para dito sa ano natin. Who will take the free throw? I think it's going to be Mark. Sina? Ayun kasi yung foul sa ilalim mo. Ayun yung review. Shoutout ma. Proud mama here in Pinas. Ang galing-galing commentator Jonathan Ray. Love you, nak. Love you, ma. And yun, go 30 dyan, sabi ni Christine. Ayun nga, si Mark McAfee nga, nag-take ng free throw. It's a 3-point lead now para sa Team Brudis. Mabigat yun, yung foul na yun. Mabigat yung foul na yun. They gave an opportunity for the Team Brudis para dito. Watching from Canada, pre. Layo. sa St. Joe ba yan, pre? Sa Canada. Jason Magpale. Sabi ko sa'yo, maglatag ka dito, no? Yung para sa shoe cleaning. Diba? To take care of your shoe. Diba? Coming, my brother, sabi ni Kent. Shout out, brother. See you. And Team 30 Gen will still hand the, Oh, pre. As Michael Carl Jordan sa ilalim, kinuha, dinukot pa. Mark McAfee. Oh, tol, kailangan ko dito ng kabatuhan ba? Kailangan natin yan. Labutap. What will he do? Labutap. Dancing with La Cuesta. Labutap finds. There's no call by the referee. Marvin Santillan, he's running. Marvin pa rin. Ganda ng pasa. Michael Jordan. Carly! Wala pa yun. Rebound Francisco. Wala pa rin. And ball will stay with the 30 Gen. There's a reaction from the bench, no? Pero the call stands, sabi na rin. 47-45, 1 minute 47, still anybody's ball game. Lamang pa rin ng dalawa. And I think we're gonna have a review. May review magaganap kung talagang makikita natin yan sa ating review. Nag-request, ito na si referee. And let's enjoy the game. Ito. Ito na pinapakita. Francisco, tip in. Hindi yata, nakuha niya ulit. Okay, Francisco, nakikita natin kung merong tap ba doon. Parang tumama parang tumama. Okay. Wala. So, Brudis gonna take the letter. Maraming salamat sa napakalupit na replay na yan. Sinong merong ganong replay, guys? I'm just proud of this production, my friends. My brother. Watching from PH Basketball Gears. Boss, Nestor, good luck, Hoopster fam. Maraming salamat, boss. From day one na sumusuporta sa Hoop Store. So, Agbayani, they need to score. May foul yon. There's a foul. 1 minute and 34, and it's big. Dahil it's the 4th foul of Randy La Cuesta. At may chance pa makakuha ng 2 puntos si Renz dito sa clutch moments of this game. Napakalaking bagay nito. So, emotions are throwing all over the court. Siyempre, kung wala yan, di magiging maganda, di magiging mainit, hindi magiging kapanapanamig ang ating game. So, Renzi Ocampo misses the first shot. Medyo merong fatigue na nangyayari siguro, pero nonetheless, I bet one on this shot. He's not gonna miss 2 shots in a row. Let me see. Renzi Ocampo, yes, he made the second shot. Timeout tayo. 30 Gen by Coach JR Moreno. Magbabalik tayo. Kokonti lang. Stay tuned. Stay there. We're gonna be back in a bit. And we are back. 1 minute and 34 seconds na lalabi. Grabe talaga. Yung intensity ng game, hindi mo matawaran kasi this is about anybody's now. Si kahit sino pa pwede. Sino magiging hero? That's the question. It's 48-45. 1 minute and 30 seconds na lalabi. Jordan with the ball. Decided to take it matter to his own hands. Meron tapikan. 3 seconds on the shot clock ang nalalabi. 3 seconds on the shot clock. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Who will answer? There's a steal by Banquiao to Renzi Ocampo. Ganda ng bigay. Labutab. Dempsedo. Binali-bali pa as Labutab makes in a 5-point game para sa Team Brudis. Marvin Santillan! Dalawa pa sumabay pero wala. Rebound by Labutab. Oh my God, Labutab is on his back right now. Labutab, 1 minute and 3 seconds. The time is not on their clock. Ito na si Jordan. Tinamaan si Jordan doon pero walang tawag na foul. Hindi na lang tinuloy. Sayang. Merong doon. Meron sanang fast break doon. Meron sanang fast break na mangyayari doon. Kaso lang hindi tinamaan kasi si Jordan sa gitna. 50-45. John Kenneth Dalion Servas. Shoutout po sa gala. Napaka-solid online. Go Brudis DXB. And yun nga, maraming salamat Kenneth. Dol, ayun, tawag dito yung Team Brudis is leading by 5 and the time is on their side. And I don't think they need to rush. But Team 30 Gen will try to slice down some lead right now. As each and every point is important. 55 seconds. Ito na. Tumatakbo na naman. Francisco, he needs to do something. They need to go quick. Sino ang mag-a-answer? Sino ang sasagot? Santillan kicks it out. 3 on his way. That's a big one. Wala rebound by Zeke. Ezekiel, Marvin Santillan with a steal. But there's a foul. Ito na, meron tayong foul. 50-45. Agbayani with the foul. 2 free throws will be given for Marvin Santillan. Pag na-shoot niya to, guys, if he made this shot, it's gonna be a 1-possession game. He needs this. First free throw, Marvin Santillan, cold-blooded. He made the first one. Ang pogi lang naman ng commentator, love you, sabi ni G. Love you, par. And second free throw for Marvin, 2 for 2 from the line. But there's a timeout now by Brudis. 34 seconds. We're gonna come back in just a bit. And we are back. 34 seconds on this. Grabe yung first game. Parang nasa middle na tayo ng league sa first game pa lang, diba? So, grabe. Full court defense ang ipinapakita dito. Shoutout more rolls. Ezekiel Agbayani breaks down the leg. Ang ganda ng pasa! Will there is this bit? Ay! Nawala! Kanina mapupunta? Nakuha yan! Renzi Ocampo, buti na lang pero nakatapak siya sa linya. Buhay pa rin ang 30 Gen. So there will be a timeout. I think this is the last timeout for the 30 Gen. We're going to be back in just a second. We are back on this one hell of a game. 50-47, still open para sa 30 Gen to open sa kanila. This is a one possession lead. They need this. If he made this shot, this might be a subject para sa overtime period. Pero I think what did Coach JR Drew on that timeout, malalaman na natin yan as Jordan will inbound the ball. Binigay kay Marvin. Siya yung mainit dito. Marvin Santillan. Ito na. No. Rebound. Kanino mapupunta? Tapikan. Side ball. Side ball. Nakuha yun. Nakita ni ref yun. Pero buhay pa rin. Buhay pa rin. Buhay pa rin ng 30 Gen. Ganda ng play ni Coach JR doon. Nalibre si Marvin Santillan. But naulak lang yun. Sino? La Cuesta. Pwede ba siya dito? Randy La Cuesta. Or will he be a decoy para sa opensa nitong 30 Gen? Ito na, Santillan to La Cuesta on cue. Randy, binigay. Marvin, 13 on the clock. Ang daming pick. Marvin for 3. Ang layo niyan. Oh no! Miss it! But there's a foul. But there's a foul. They need that shot. They had a clean look. Pero bumintis lang yun. Marvin Santillan is making that shot from the first quarter pa lang. Pero dahil nga medyo may pressure na, medyo hindi na pumasok. Shoutout from Jones 18 Angelo there. Shoutout tol. Gideon Duenpe. Pasukin si Julius Morales. Clutch player yan. First free throw. Banqueao. Minis niya yung tira niya doon pero he made this shot. Yes, he made it. Second free throw para kay Banqueao. To seal the deal. Yes, 2 for 2 from the line. Ito na nga ba yun? 7 seconds. Nothing is certain until the final buzzer. Ito na. Labutap, he was fouled. I think that would be it. 52-47. Labutap will be trying to add something on the lead. Shoutout Boss Rans. Shoutout sa inyo Rans. Sports Gears and Apparels. Ang isa sa malakas na seller dyan sa Abu Dhabi. Shoutout sa iyo, boss. Ricky Volante pa. Shoutout, idol. Ganda ng live. Solid. Maraming salamat, Dol Volante. Labutap made his first free throw. The second free throw, 2 for 2 from the line. 4 seconds na lang. Jordan running. They need to make a shot. And that is it. 54-47. Brutus will take game number 1. And 30 Gen, they still have a chance. Malalaman natin kung sino interview natin mamaya. We thank you kung sino mga sumama sa amin on the first game. We hope on the second game nandiyan pa rin kayo. We'll be cutting this live shortly at mag-interview tayo ng best player of the game. And again, this is Hoopstore One Day League Season 2 Santuario Cup. See you guys on our next games. This is Hoopstore One Day League Season 2 Santuario Cup. See you guys on our next games.
Finance! Finance! Finance!